project. That's right, guys. We finished this 1995 Jeep Wrangler, affectionately named Jeep Joel. What we're going to do is we're going to walk around and go over what we've accomplished on this particular Jeep. Now, we did this on a tight budget. We started with very good bones with this Jeep. So we're going to take a look around the Jeep and show you what we did. As you can see in the front, we've painted the Jeep. We added a bumper to the front of the Jeep, and we've detailed all the trim, brackets, vents, added new wipers. Of course, the Jeep still needs a new front windshield. That will come eventually. That's just something we have a glass guy put in for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look on the passenger side and then walk our way around the Jeep to see what we've done. As you can see on the passenger side, we've cleaned the body, we've painted the body. We gave this Jeep a nice orange-red paint job. Came out phenomenal for the amount of time, money, and prep that we put into this. The Jeep was completely sanded, areas were spot primed, and some of the imperfections in the body were fixed with a little bit of Bondo. We were fortunate enough that this Jeep didn't have any major rust. Again, this Jeep's on a budget. It's not perfection. It's really just a nice Jeep to have fun with on the beach. As you can see on the passenger door, we've added a mirror. Unfortunately, when we got this Jeep, all the mirrors had been taken off or removed, and we added a newer style, YJ style mirror that screws directly to the door. Now, of course, if you're going to take the doors off on the beach or just a nice sunny day, you'll have to add mirrors into the door brackets or additional mirror that attaches to the front windshield frame. In the back of the Jeep, you can see that we've updated a few things. We've added a split style rear bumper. We've also added a rear tire carrier stop. Originally, this Jeep didn't have one. We added one. Fortunately for us, the back of the Jeep was in very good shape. Besides the paint job and some detailing of the trim and the license plate holder, pretty simple back here, guys. Just detailed it with a little bit of flat black. We're going to take a look on the driver's side and see what we've done over there. On the driver's side here, very similar case to the passenger side. We added a mirror to the door, and in this case we had to add a new door latch, door handle here. This assembly in the door and outside the door had to be replaced. It was not in good working order. Fortunately for us, these parts are not expensive, and we replaced and updated some of the parts that were needed. Again, this Jeep was in very good shape on this side. It did need a little bit of repair here. There was a little bit of old Bondo that needed to be removed and refilled. Overall, extremely good shape for how old this Jeep is. Remember guys, this is a 95. It's a classic. We're going to take a look under the hood and see what we've done under the hood. In the engine compartment, we've detailed it. Previously, we gave this Jeep a tune-up. This was more of a cosmetic, sort of light restoration. We did not go crazy. We're just trying to clean up some of the eyesores under the hood. A few of the things that we took care of were the power booster, the valve cover, the jack, the top of the radiator, and the battery tray. These are common areas. They get a little corrosion / rust. They weren't rusted through. They just, over time, they just need a little refresh. So we're going to take a look under the engine compartment and see what we've done. Now guys, you could do this very simply and cheaply on a budget. This is not going to be OEM perfection. It's just something that's going to be nice to use. Okay guys, we're going to take a look inside the Jeep and see the detail work that we've done to some of the components that were still in this Jeep. Areas like the door cards, we've cleaned the best we could. Also, we've painted the door jambs the orange-red color that the outside of the Jeep is. We've cleaned the seat brackets, we've cleaned the dash, we've added new light bulbs to inside the dash. We've just cleaned up what's inside this Jeep, just to make it fresh again, just to make it look nice. Unfortunately, whoever had this Jeep previously kind of let it go. It really needed a good detail. Eventually, we're going to get some seat covers for this. Right now, we just cleaned the seats the best we could. We're going to take a look at the back of the Jeep. In this case, it's very basic. There's not much going on back there. There is a cargo mat that's back there that we cleaned up and put back in. We'll take a look. Okay guys, we're going to take a look at the frame. We were very fortunate. This frame was in excellent shape. It just needed a good cleaning with a power wash, a wire brush, and some sandpaper. There were no repairs needed. We cleaned it, we prepped it, we painted it with some flat black paint just to bring it back a little bit. We're going to take a look at the frame. Jeep project came out phenomenal. We did this on a very tight budget. We made a huge difference. This is something that anybody can do. Go out, try to find a Jeep with good bones, a little bit of skill, a little bit of know-how, a little bit of elbow grease, and you can have a result like this. It's not perfect. This is not what we were going for. We were going for a very nice, everyday Jeep. Guys, give this video a thumbs up, a like, a comment, hit that notification bell. Guys, I really appreciate it. I'm Kevin here from Formula Performance. Thank you.